So next we have the taskbar. A long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop is called the taskbar. Now, as it is set the bottom of the desktop, it's not necessary it can be in the bottom of the desktop. It can be also on the top of the desktop also. It is depend upon the appearance, how you want to see. The taskbar has a start button, quick launcher bar, system tray and a show desktop button. Quick launcher bar, it shows which program and files you have opened and allows you to quickly switch between them. So it helps over here, it stays here, and if you want you can click and quickly you can enter the option which you will select. System tray, you can see on the right hand side, it display the current date and time. This button, next one is show desktop button. This button minimize all the open program and display the desktop. Click on this button to see your desktop. So you can see what are the, suppose you are working on the program and this will minimize it and you can see what the desktop on your computer. Next we have some multiple choice questions. See over here that the default view of control panel is dash view, large view, small, large icon, small icon, category icon. Next we have system tray is present on the dash, taskbar, icon, start menu. Now after reading the chapter, I would like you all to do this one on your own, and next class I will give you the answers. Customize the taskbar. Customizing the taskbar, it's mean you can set up your taskbar, the color, the font size and different things as per your desire and the way you want to see. You can change the setting of your taskbar also. To customize the taskbar, follow the given steps. Step 1, open control panel and click the appearance and personalize. So first thing you have to open the control panel, go to the appearance and personalize, click that. After clicking that, you will get the taskbar and start menu option. Click the required option to the taskbar and start menu properties dialog box. So when you will click on this, there you will get the options, taskbar and the start menu option, and you can change the appearance as you want. For example, auto hide the taskbar. Suppose you want to hide the taskbar, this option will disappear the taskbar. Click, put a tick mark, this option to activate it. Next one, use arrow pick to preview the desktop. Arrow pick to preview the desktop. Now what is arrow pick? You must have seen in your mobile, when you pull the slide the screen, you can see the background. You can see the background. This option or this system is known as arrow pick, where the screen, you can move the screen but you can see the background of your mobile screen. So this style or this technology is known as arrow pick. This option lets you pick into your desktop. If you have lots of windows open, this means all open windows turn transparent, so it become transparent, and if you put arrow pick, it will become transparent. Check, put a tick mark this option to activate it. So if you put a tick mark, your option will be activated. Click apply, you can over here step 4, click apply and click OK, and it will accept your command and it will show as you want. That means the screen will become transparent and you can see the desktop. You can able to see the desktop. So now as you can see this control panel screen, and as it is there, you can see this option over there, that is appearance and personalization. Yes, so if you do that, what will happen, the screen will change and appearance will also change. So suppose if I select this one, so you can change the selection, like here you have a flower over here, window options are there, windows over here, window 10. So as you will select here, your option and your appearance will change. Next, personalizing desktop taskbar. Personalizing desktop and taskbar. If I click on taskbar, see the option it will come. You can lock the taskbar, auto hide the taskbar. You can have the auto hide the taskbar option over there. Use small taskbar button and so on. Since it can be on the top, since I have put my taskbar on top, if you click it can be bottom, left, right, wherever you want. But if I put it on this my top, I prefer top, and in this way I can change the customize. If you can change the color also, setting, all those things, so you can do it. But I will always ask you not to do. Always take the advice from a senior who can able to help you. And after doing the setting, you place apply. When you click apply, it will change. Next, after this, I have asked you about the display setting over here. If you go for the display setting, you can make the changes in the display setting of the title bar. Again I'm over here. So this change the desktop appearance as you want. Now next, what we're going to learn about the date and time, how to change the date and time. So if you in the control panel, come over here, see the clock and language. So if you click here, you find over here on top the date and time. So as you find the date and time over here, click over here. So you can change, you can set your time and date. So you can see it's 1.52, that's mean almost 2 a.m. in the night. Yes, I'm doing the shooting at night only. So you can change the date and time. So today is the date of recording date when I have recorded. It's Sunday 14th at midnight. So you can see this, I can change the date and time as I want. So see the timing on top over here on the screen. If you can able to see this, it's over here, the date and time. So this date and time, it will change as you will change over here. So this one of the option which I am not changing it. Again I will say, whenever you are changing, take the advice from a senior. Don't change the language. You will not understand. English is better for you. or else you don't change. Next you go for sound, hardware, sound and sound. So now if I want to change anything of the sound, so speaker and headphone option is there, handset and yeah. So what, see, it's clicked over here so that I can attach a speaker and a headphone, a speaker and a headphone or hand string I can attach with this laptop. So this option is there. Or if I want only headset or a headphone, whatever I want I can attach with it. So the sound I can do it. If I want to do recording, I can do it recording with a microphone. This option is there. Sound, let me see, it's over here. Setting, communication, any communication option is there. Yes. So like this you can do the setting, but better I will ask you not to do on your own. Always take the advice from a senior, because any changes over here may create a difficulties for you, and the computer will have problem to work properly. So this is the desktop. Let us go back to the book and see what the date and sound says about. Yes class, back to your book. So just now I showed you to change the date and time option is there in control panel. Configuring date and time, you know that the system tray or the taskbar of Windows 7 desktop display the current system date and time. You can make changes in the setting of date and time. You can configure current date and time by using the control panel. So you can change the date and time of your system through control panel. To change the steps you will follow, the change date and time of your system following the given steps. Step number 1, open the control panel. First thing, you have to open the control panel, then click on the clock language and region. So you click the clock language region, click the date and time option. The date and time dialog box will appear. So as you know, over here clock option, then you get the date and time as I showed you. Click the change date and time button. The date and time setting dialog box appears. Point number 4, now change the date and time of your system. To make changes in the date, change the month, year and day. To make changes in the time, change the hour by clicking the arrow increasing or decreasing the value. Similarly, change the minute and second. Step 5, click OK button on the date and time setting dialog box. Click OK button on the date and time dialog box. So after changing it, you press OK, your changes will take place. The last, you have the adjusting volume of the speaker or the sound. You can use hardware and sound category of the control panel to adjust the volume of your system. To adjust the volume, follow the given steps. Step 1, open the control panel and click on the hardware and sound, what I did and I showed you. Step 2, click adjust system volume. From the sound option, the volume mixer dialog box appears. Step 3, now drag the slider to adjust the volume of the system. So as you select the control panel, you select the hardware and sound. After that, you select the adjust system volume. As you select, the option will come where you have to increase or decrease the volume. You just drag the slider and you can increase the volume. These are the different ways you can make changes in your desktop or computer. Appearance, taskbar, date and time and sound. But I will again request you all, when you are doing these changes, please be with the seniors and then do it, or else you may harm your system, the computer. So class, this for today only. Next we will start with the icons, how it helps us, what is the importance of icon. Thank you class.